A yellow cucumber or an orange cucumber is an overripe cucumber. Many people forget, misharvest, or wait too long to harvest their cucumbers, and this is what occurs. This becomes very bitter. There are some recipes online in which you can utilize a bitter cucumber. You can also dehydrate it in little slivers and eat it that way to knock some of that bitterness away. So if you want to save seeds, then you want to leave your cucumber on the vine as long as possible. It will change from that traditional green to a yellow to an orange and get really mushy. Those seeds are mature. So if you want regular cucumbers for eating or pickling, harvest them early and often. If you want seeds, let them stay on the vine for as long as possible, assuming you have one variety. If you have multiple varieties, they will cross-pollinate and you will get a morph cucumber next year when you plant the seeds.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.